city turns into a sea of banners and billboards. Thousands of plastic banners adorn the street, electricity poles, and bridges. But when the election is over, where do they all go? The answer: to the dump, to the river, or even burned on the side of the road. Banners that were once full of promises have now turned into a threat. PVC, the main material of this banner, doesn't decompose easily and is toxic when burned. The toxin pollute the soil, the water, and the air we breathe daily. Without realizing it, we are living in the midst of danger. This waste doesn't just litter city. It also enters our bodies in the form of microplastic and air pollution. If this continues, how long will it take until the impact can no longer be controlled? We live with a growing trend. These banners don't just disappear. They accumulate in landfill for decades, contaminating soil and water. And when burned, they release toxic gases that exacerbate global warming and threaten our health. Every particle released from this combustion can enter the air we breathe, increasing the risk of respiratory disease and worsening the climate crisis. This is no longer just an environmental issue. It's a threat to our daily lives.
Di mana baliho atau spanduk itu adalah bahannya dari plastik yang susah terurai, terus ada tintanya juga yang memang itu juga berbahaya ya, kalau misalkan memang dibuang ke sungai atau ke air. Itulah salah satu memang perlu penanganan khusus ya untuk pengelolaan sampah. Kan yaitu susah terurai, lama sekali kalau misalnya dibuang begitu saja ya, tidak bisa langsung terurai. Terus juga tadi kakak sampaikan di dalam spanduk itu ada tintanya, tinta yang berbahaya. Misalkan itu spanduknya dibuang ke sungai kan tintanya menjadi mencemarkan air. Juga di tanah, kita buang di tanah juga seperti itu. Itu dampaknya. Kalau sosialnya menurut kakak itu ya tadi sampah-sampah tadi kan jadi menumpuk. Ya tadi kalau misalnya memang di jalan kan menjadikan pemandangan yang tidak enak ya, memang tepat disampaikan tapi tidak enak bagi lingkungan, bagi kita untuk pandangannya.
Without realizing it, microplastic from this waste can enter our drinking water and food. Every day, we may be consuming plastic particles that damage our bodies. If we don't act now, how long will it take until the impact becomes unmanageable? Election binaries is often considered worthless. However, we see it as an opportunity to create something useful. Through our innovation named Greenstruck, we turn PVC binaries into eco-friendly paving block that can be used for infrastructure. The first step in the creation of Greenstruck is to shred the banner into small pieces. This process is important to ensure that the material is easier to melt. After that, the mixture is heated at a controlled temperature until the PVC is completely melted. The temperature must be carefully maintained so that the material doesn't burn and produce harmful emission. This is why, in this process of making Greenstruck, we use the pyrolysis method to reduce the impact of emission and make the process more environmentally friendly. Once melted and turned to ash, the mixture is transferred to another container. Then, it is mixed with other materials such as rice husk, sand, and cement in predetermined ratio. The mix is then poured into a mold and allowed to harden. This cooling process is essential to ensure that construct structure is sturdy and durable. The result is a construct moving block that is sturdy, lighter than ordinary concrete, yet still high durable. Compared to conventional paving block, construct has advantage in terms of flexibility, durability, and sustainability. However, there is a bigger challenge we must overcome. Burning PVC plastic produces harmful greenhouse gases, which can worsen global warming. For this reason, in the development of construct, we designed a pyrolysis device that significantly reduces emission, making the process safer for the environment. Pyrolysis is a thermal process that breaks down plastic at very high temperature in the absence of oxygen. This process helps minimize the emission of toxic gases typically produced by regular combustion. Additionally, pyrolysis converts plastic waste into useful byproducts, such as alternative fuels and reusable carbon. The pyrolysis technology in the Greenstruct project allows us to process plastic waste into more useful material. The alternative fuel produced can be used for other industrial processes, while the carbon produced can be used for agricultural purposes or as raw material for other products. Imagine a future where election waste no longer pollute our city but helps build sustainable infrastructure. Through Greenstruct innovation, we can turn waste into valuable resource, contributing to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs.
Kalau menurut saya sih efektif ya, soalnya kan selama ini itu biasanya sampah bekas spanduk yang bekas kampanye itu dibuang begitu aja kan, jadi dia tidak terurai. Jadi kalau dibikin kayak paving block itu bisa mengurangi penumpukan sampah ya, jadi lebih terurai dan lebih efektif juga, selain bermanfaat juga buat daur ulangnya kan, jadi kalau menurut saya lebih efektif.
Furthermore, Greenstruct is a clear example of the principle of the circular economy, where waste once considered useless is now transformed into a valuable product. In a circular economy, instead of simply discarding waste, we recycle it into useful material, reducing dependence on new raw materials and minimizing the environmental impact of the production process. By embracing circular economy principle, we can create a more efficient economy, reduce waste, and lessen negative impact on the environment. Greenstruct not only reduce waste, but also create new jobs in the green economy sector, raising awareness about the importance of managing waste more sustainably. If Greenstruct innovation are applied more widely, the long-term impact will be enormous. We can significantly reduce the waste from election banners that pollute our environment while building more environmentally friendly infrastructure. This is a big step toward a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable city. Our journey has just begun, and we need support from all sides. We invite government, industry, and society to join us in creating a greener future. With a shared commitment, we can accelerate the transition to a stronger and more sustainable circular economy. Join us in this change through Greenstruct innovation. Let's turn plastic waste into new opportunity for sustainable development. It's time to act for a greener, cleaner future.